Let me show you strange thing I observed today. Let's put the title large A and B, small a, small b, and for this cell A1, let's put REPT dot comma 300. So this is 300 dots. Now we select this range and insert the pivot table. We will put it inside the same the worksheet, and we put the column A and B, and let's put the value here. Now let us put the pivot chart over here. So what I want to talk about is this pivot chart legend right here. If I zoom, make this large, and if I press refresh all, something strange might happen or might not happen. Let's repeat. Refresh all, nothing happens. Maybe I should change this to 400, and refresh all again. How about 300? Why did it? Oh, so. Okay, now I see something strange here. What is this message? It says on py stem.activity activity.cv blah blah blah. Where did this message come from? Let's try refresh all again. It disappeared. Strange. Let's recreate the pivot chart and see what happens. So far there's nothing strange. Well, it is somewhat strange because we don't see the dots here, but let's say this is not strange. If we press refresh all, nothing has happened. Oh, what is this Chinese characters? If I press refresh all again, oh, it disappears. Oh, then now I see these message again, activity blah blah blah. So strange. It disappears again. So it does not oh, okay. What's this message? BV question mark TY. It should show the name of the series, so it should be 300 dots, but it's showing something different every time I refresh. What is